Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you need to move your entire operating system or all your files from an old hard drive to a new SSD but don't know where to start? In this video, I will show you the fastest way to clone your operating system and all the data on your hard drive to an SSD on a Windows 11 computer. Let's go. Windows has a built-in backup and restore feature that allows you to copy the contents of one hard drive to another. Note, however, that this feature only applies to system-required partitions. If you have drives, DE, or others, the only way to clone them onto a new SSD is with a third-party tool. Well, this tool I recommend is primarily a disk partition management tool that offers a wide range of features such as partition extension, data recovery, dynamic disk management, and operating system migration to another drive. What's more, it can effortlessly clone an entire hard drive in just a few steps. Would you like to try the software now? You can click my link in the description below to download the installer directly and receive a special welcome bonus as a first-time user. Once the software is installed on your computer, launch it and make sure the target SSD is already installed or connected via USB adapter into your computer. Remember, in order for the clone to be successful, the SSD should have enough space to hold all the data you're going to transfer. Next, locate the source hard disk drive in the list of partitions. Right-click on it and select Copy from the menu. In the pop-up window, choose the SSD as the target disk. Click Next and confirm the process. Then, review the changes you have made and modify the configurations according to your preferred setup. This includes fitting partitions into the entire disk, aligning partitions, and more. Finally, click the Apply button to start the cloning process. Note that after this step, if you clone a laptop HDD to an SSD, you need to install the SSD into the computer. On the other hand, for a desktop PC, you need to change the boot device to the SSD so that the computer will boot from the new drive. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.